And let's go and get live here. And let's go see what's going to happen here with a couple more degrees spark timing. It should make a pretty large difference in power because we're really, really low on power here. Go ahead and throw headphones on and we'll evaluate this. So we can see after we've done that flash, the knock count has went to 0. It was previously reading about 106. So unless we do clear DTCs or we do a flash, the knock counter will not reset. So evaluating a data log, we always want to go move over to the left-hand side of the data log screen and start there and look at whatever the knock count was showing us and pan all the way across to the far right side of the data log screen. And then we'll see what that's going to be showing us. If we don't see any difference or any change, then we know there was no knock count in that wide open throttle pull or whatever area we're operating at, we're looking at in the data log. Okay, so let's give this a shot now. Let's go ahead and record. I'll jump into the overlay here. All right. Stop. Taking a look at the dyno screen, we made a pretty large jump right there. The purple line to the red line, we're seeing about 160 pound-feet of torque and 133 horsepower. Now we're still way off from where we need to be, but we did generate some knock count, and we'll find here that our lambda overlay looks completely fine. So let's go here and let's go hit our stop our trace, jump into graph, and let's take a look here. We're going to find that it looks like it picked up some kind of knock here. 1900 to about 2500, it picked up a couple counts right there, and then as it went up, same area, right around 3000, it picked up a whole bunch, and we had 4 more degrees timing in there, and obviously it was knocking when it had no timing right there, and then it obviously knocked when we had timing in there. So I don't think that's real again. We'll probably have to revisit that and start to increase the values. We can see it was majority of what was showing here, and in top end it looks like it was picking up. We're gonna have to go and raise that threshold again. And this is going to be kind of a back and forth here. Now we need to be mindful, we are adding spark timing, so when we get super carried away with this, also, this is 0 degree cam angle, and it's going to be the most knock sensitive compared to 10, 20, 30, 40.